Good morning, Year 5. Today we are going to be beginning our big write. So we're going to be planning and writing paragraph 1 of our diary entry, all to do with holes. So do not worry if you do not have a printer. You can create your own tick list, success criteria and e-plan, but just make sure you do have a version of these. We've included these resources on the website as well. There are also some Education City activities to complete alongside our first lesson of planning and writing, our diary entry. So, as we do in school, we'll be planning a paragraph and then writing the paragraph. So there are 3 paragraphs, so this should take about 3 days. All the slides for lesson 13, 14 and 15 are in this one document, and there are starters before each lesson to revise prior learning. So have a go at the starter, and when you're ready you can move on. So the tasks for each, so here's an instruction page of what you will need to be doing throughout our big write. So just please take your time to pause and read through these carefully. So we've got bronze, silver and gold tasks and a challenge as well. And these will be the same for the 3 lessons. So for this lesson, lesson 1 of our big write, work through slides 1 to 12. So first of all, let's just take some time to remind ourselves of the deconstruction. Now, this is an important thing to do because this is a model of what a good diary entry would look like. So we have our 3 paragraphs, each with similar themes and ideas to what we will be writing about. So just take your time to read this before moving on. We have included this on the website as well in a separate document. And when you're ready, move on. So as we do in school, the first thing we'd like you to do is to create your success criteria. So use the colour code to choose features to include in your success criteria and then stick into your book or on your paper. And ensure you are clear on what these features mean. So as you can see here, anything that is being highlighted in blue is something that you must include. And these are features which are very important for a diary entry. And anything that's highlighted in purple is our Year 5 level. So in paragraph 1, we will be talking about surroundings. So after you look at the next 2 slides, write your ideas onto paragraph 1 of your plan. These could be words, phrases and sentences. Now you'll all know what you'll be doing here because you've done it many times in school. On the following slides there are some ideas that you can magpie, but try to think of your own ideas before doing this. And if you do magpie some ideas, try to do this in your own words. So as we would normally do in school, we need to come up with our ideas before writing. Now this is a very important part of the writing process. We need to plan carefully before we actually start writing. So for paragraph 1 of our diary entry, we are going to be describing surroundings of Camp Green Lake, as I said, in holes. Complete a mind map to record your ideas. So what can you feel, taste, hear and see? So get whatever is in your head, all those ideas into this mind map. Now once you have done that, we would like you to record those ideas onto your plan of paragraph 1. So there are also lots of ideas here on this slide to give you some inspiration. But please make sure you are not copying directly. Try to do these in your own words unless you are really, really struggling. Now, before you So to complete your e-plan, you must complete these as well before beginning paragraph 1. So we would like you to write a list of adverbials of time. So these are used to link paragraphs together by time. This is a target for everyone to use, so you'll all need to be using adverbials of time. And there are already some examples here. And also a word bank with high quality vocabulary that you will use in your diary entry. So when you have finished your plan for paragraph 1, write your first paragraph. Here is an example of how to up level. So here is an example that we have come up with. So taking those ideas from our plan and transforming them into part of our first paragraph. Now remember, as we do in school, check your success criteria and look through this tick list that we've included as well on the school website. What features have you used in this paragraph? Tick them off your success criteria as you go along, so you know that you've included all of those amazing features that make your writing more interesting. Okay, so the following slides are exactly the same as the slides that we've just been through, but talking you through paragraph 2 and paragraph 3.